Hi guys, it's Sejal. 2022 went by so fast. What the fuck? I thought this year was really bad in the middle, but towards the end, I learned some major life lessons, one of which was to appreciate more and be grateful. So, here are some moments from 2022 that changed me a lot. So, here are 22 days of 2022. Shutup Sejal is a Spotify exclusive podcast. So go on over to Spotify, listen to the full episode, and also give it a 5-star rating when you're there. We have a fancy mic this time, guys. I have chits for everyone listening. So we will pick moments and see kaun sa day kahan aata hai. 27th Feb. I only realized how many music videos and music related stuff I did this year when I was making the list for this video. So I shot Runaway. I'm so proud of that music video. It looks amazing. I'm really proud of that song. ये पहला गाना था English song जो मैंने लिखना start किया and I recorded it. So this was like a huge moment for me and it was amazing. The video is something I'm so proud of. And even the response on the video, very proud of it. We have 6th August. Okay, so 6th August is like, so जहाँ मैं गुड़गांव में रहती हूँ now, of course, I've moved to Mumbai and I come back home also a lot. There is a place in Gurgaon called One Horizon Center. ये मेरा new hangout हो गया. I have so many nice memories here from the last year. हर Saturday, Sunday चले जाना. वहाँ पे एक market होती है हर Saturday. और मेरे घर के इतना पास है that it's just fun to go there. And when the weather is nice, it's just happy vibes, you know. 22nd November. Oh, 22nd November was like now. 22nd November, I did a shoot with Filter Copy and the video just released. It's a 2-part mini-series where I get married. Like that's one of the storylines of that series. So it was really cool. I was looking forward कि मैं इस साल और acting करूँ and I got the chance to do that. So it was really fun. मेरे जो co-actors थे, they were really talented and Filter Copy is awesome to work with. I usually have a tendency to be critical of myself, but I actually liked my performance, so that was good. 11th March. मैंने decide किया कि मैं 2 हफ्ते मुंबई जाके रहूँगी. This is before I moved to Mumbai and I had thought that I'm going to spend 2 weeks there productive, shoot a bunch of episodes for the podcast, do some collabs. मैंने एक short film लिखी थी called Shy, related to my album, so I did that and I stayed in a hotel for 2 weeks, okay? And I just felt like भाई कुछ ज़्यादा ही ऐसे professional हो रहा है. It was like a little tough and weird, but I think it was cool. I'd made a plan and I did it and I felt really good about it. 1st Jan, as always. 1st Jan is my birthday, you guys. I decided I want to wear a fire outfit, okay? I don't care. जिसका भी birthday 1st Jan को होता है ना, they know the pain. No one gives a shit about your birthday. All they want to do is party and get so drunk. So इसीलिए मैंने अपने 5 closest दोस्तों को बुलाया. हम ही sleepover वाला group है, but हम full on dress up करेंगे. It was a really nice night with my closest friends and fashionable. Next we have 11th October. I already know what this is. 11th October is Lakme Fashion Week. I love fashion. I'm totally into fashion. And this time I got invited to a bunch of shows at Lakme Fashion Week. Was really proud to be invited by really cool designers. Sat front row, guys. When I started out, मैं ऐसे जाती थी fashion shows पे और मुझे कोई भाव नहीं देता था. And it was a really cool experience. You know, the show, the catwalk, music, graphics, of course the clothes. And since I was, you know, doing Miss India and I've done ramp walks and stuff myself, I love watching the models walk. 22nd May. Oh, my whole family was in San Francisco, जहाँ मेरा भाई रहता है. We all went on a nice family trip and it was so much fun because मेरा भाई crazy planner है. वो सारी चीज़ें Excel sheets पे plan करते हैं. किसी दिन surfing जा रहे हैं, किसी दिन बाहर hike करने जा रहे हैं. Really fun. Had an amazing time. 18th Jan. Okay, again, a music related thing. So shot and released my song and music video Destiny. Again, so proud of this, so proud of the visuals, so proud of the song. मतलब काफी गाने release हो गए इस साल में and I'm so proud of that. I feel like my whole trajectory of my vibe and my career has totally changed and I used to feel really scared that oh my god, what am I doing? I don't know how people are going to receive this, but at the end of the year I feel really proud that I, you know, invested my time and effort into something so creative and so cool, so different and people received it really well. 3rd December. अरे 3rd December तो अभी है. So my favorite time of the year is winter. बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे and especially Delhi winters, there's just something about it. I came here on 3rd December. I was so happy that I'm going to spend 20-25 days back at home with my friends, celebrate my birthday, celebrate Christmas. It's the best day. 4th November. Oh, 4th November. Another song related. Guys, do you see? Wrote, short, music video, everything for my song Parchai. It was a collaboration with Hanita, and Hanita is an amazing singer, and I'm so glad that she wanted to be on the song with me. It's also the first time I wrote and directed a music video with Tushar Dikshit, who's shooting this video also. And matlab, it was such a cool experience, and also people really appreciated it. You guys really appreciated it. So it was like a big validation for me that, you know, yes, I can do this more in the future. 2nd October. 2nd October, best family trip ever. एक जगह है क्यारी, like तो वो बहुत fun था, and we played the craziest prank on my mom. 3 दिन लगातार हंसी हूँ, so it was the best trip ever. 3rd April. I had a goal this year that I'm going to spend 2 months in the US, go to LA, stay in an Airbnb, and just explore, you know, work opportunities there. And this sounds a little like, what? I'd spent some time in the US the year before, and I thought that, okay, maybe I can do this properly again. Bharat was also there with me, so I had a friend. I was so proud of myself because, you know, I made the connections. I met some people in the content creator industry. I met people like agencies, managers, did, you know, singer-songwriter sessions, collaborations with other creators. I met the Merrill twins. So it was a really cool trip, and I was very out of my comfort zone, and it was, you know, वो feeling होती है ना that you have to reintroduce yourself to people who have no idea who you are. So it was a humbling experience. I might do this again. 23rd May. Yeah, so 23rd May is again in the US only. Is the day I bought my first ever designer bag. Now, why this is a big deal is because it was always on my bucket list. I'm going to save up money, buy a designer bag. I bought a Louis Vuitton bag, and I was having so much conflict in my head. No, shit, I went for a climate change conference. How can I do this? And then I was like, it's fine. You know, I've reduced my personal consumption a lot, and this is something that I want to do. I'm still trying to figure this whole thing out. So I bought the bag anyway. And it's one of my dreams to be able to work with Louis Vuitton one day. And वहाँ पर एक shop window पे ना खाली थी. There was no picture there. And my mom was like, stand there, let me take a picture of you, and you should remember this moment for later. So that's why this is like a really special moment. 14th May. One day I met my childhood friend Kinshuk. Kinshuk has been in a few videos of mine, and we spent the day in LA. Him, me and Bharat, we went to UCLA, his college. हम rodeo drive गए, trying to be fancy, and it was really fun. Like school friends से जब बाहर मिलते हो कहीं पर, when you're grown up, you're catching up on all the old memories, and you're in a new environment. So it's just really fun. And in the US, हम हिंदी में गंदे गंदे jokes मार रहे थे, so that was like really funny and really, really fun. 29th September is like 2 events I went for. These are both by GQ magazine, so really fancy fashion events. It was always on my bucket list since I started doing content, and I'm so glad that it's happening for me right now. I loved both the events, and the coolest thing is I held my own, you guys. I was not intimidated. I was enjoying myself. I dressed to my best, and I think I was feeling really comfortable in my newfound, you know, femininity. 16th September. Another song, yaar. Like, this is my 1-minute Hindi song, Chalo. 1-minute songs were a huge thing at the time, and I wanted to do my own versions. And I wanted creative friends in it. So we did a 1-day shoot. Nick, Agastya, Sherry, Vaibhav, Karima, all these guys came together, and we just did fun sequences for this 1-minute video. And it's a really cute video. I really like it. 13th May. I released my album, guys. My album, Shy. I decided the year prior that, okay, I'm going to make an album in October. I had 3 songs done by then, and I was like, I'm going to do this. I don't care how. I have a concept, Shy, that I'm not a shy girl anymore. Decided uske pure graphics and the concept of the whole thing, the look of the whole thing, and I just made it happen. And I'm so proud of myself for making it happen. Okay, this is all of Jan because of winter vibes. I love winter, and just spending it here in Gurgaon, going to One Horizon Center, hanging out with my friends, my family, eating yummy food is just such a vibe. 19th August. 19th August is the day I packed up my bags and moved to Mumbai. I actually did it. Like, now that I'm looking back, I accomplished quite a lot in this year when I thought that I accomplished nothing in this year. I got myself a 2-bedroom apartment, which is a huge deal. And I think I've set it up really nicely. It feels like home. It doesn't feel like a bachelor pad. And काफ़ी अच्छे से set up किया उसको. I'm able to film there. I feel comfortable there. मेरे घर में टीवी है, मतलब that's a big deal. यहाँ पे टीवी नहीं है, and I always wanted a TV, and I have a TV. So, you know, little things like that just make me feel really cool. And I'm a Mumbai girl now, I guess, but मैं आधा time तो यहीं रहती हूँ. मुझे वापस चले जाना चाहिए soon. 25th Jan. Oh, again, another acting thing. So, I did a short film shoot with Terribly Tiny Tales, this cute, like, two friend love story. No, two friend story. It was really cute, very fun, and again, I'm very happy with my performance. I've been doing acting workshops, like, for a while. It was cool to see my performance improving on screen because जब आप किसी और के set पे होते हो थोड़ा nervous लगता है, you don't know what you're doing, you can't see the playback as much, which we like creators are very used to seeing. Their team is awesome. It was a really nice project to be a part of. Last one is 22nd July. मेरा एक और गाना expired. Again, very proud of that video. Really awesome. So उसके लिए I wanted to do a live performance and watch it with you guys, like my viewers, and watch the premiere on like a projector screen. So I prepared for a performance in Piano Man in Delhi. So it was a really small, intimate thing because there's not much space in that venue. My band, I put together a band. There are like 5 of us now, and they are awesome. And they're like my bros. And I'm so glad I found them. So I'm ready to like perform everywhere. These were my 22 days of 2022. And I'm really proud of myself to keep going, even though I felt like, change might just hurt me. If you're trying something new, if you're doing something new, there might be a lot of like cynicism around it. लोग कह रहे होंगे कि नहीं, हमने देखा है कि किसी और का ऐसे नहीं चलता, या फिर ये हो सकता है, वो हो सकता है. And after a point you might even imbibe it, but you have to remind yourself that there are no limits to what you can achieve, and there are no limits to like what you can create. And happy new year, and I hope you have an amazing New Year's night. Bye. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and also go on over to Spotify to listen to this podcast in the best audio, the full audio, and also leave a 5-star rating while you're there. And I'll see you soon.